You're tired. Not just financially tired, but your whole nervous system is tired. Tired of calculating. Tired of worrying. Tired of carrying numbers in your head like they're bricks. This meditation is not about pretending money doesn't matter, because it does. And right now, your body's holding the weight of it. Let's put some of that weight down. Please breathe in slowly. Not to escape the problem, but to remind your body that you are safe in this moment. Right now, in this breath, no bill is attacking you. No number is chasing you. No future is happening yet. Only this inhale. And only this exhale. Your nervous system has been living like a smoke alarm stuck on high alert. We are going to turn that volume down now. Not by ignoring reality, but by returning control to your body. Feel where the stress sits. Is it in your chest, your jaw, your stomach, or your shoulders? You don't have to fix it. Just notice it. And breathe into it like you're making space around the tension instead of fighting it. Financial stress shrinks your world. It convinces you that you're trapped, that you're cornered, that you're running out of air. But notice something. You are still here. You're still breathing. You're still capable of the next decision. That is power. Small power is still power. Whisper silently after me. I am not broken. I am under pressure. There is a difference. Pressure is temporary. Identity is not. Again, I am not failing. I am navigating difficulty. Feel how different that lands. Your worth did not drop with your balance. Your intelligence did not disappear. Your dignity is intact. Money stress attacks identity first, but we are reclaiming it. Please focus on your breathing and imagine the future not as a cliff, but as a fog. You don't need to see the whole road, only the next step. And your nervous system can handle one step at a time. Repeat quietly after me again. I don't need to solve everything tonight. I only need to stay steady now. Feel the ground beneath you, the chair holding you up, or the floor supporting you. Life is still carrying you, even in uncertainty. You're not floating alone. Financial storms feel endless when you're inside them. But storms move, even when they're slow, and even when it's painful. Movement is happening whether you see it or not. You are allowed to rest without giving up. Rest is a strategy. Calmness is also a strategy. A regulated mind makes better decisions than a terrified one. And right now, you are training calmness. Not as denial, but as preparation. Please repeat after me one last time. I meet money stress with clarity, not panic. I protect my mind while I rebuild my life. I am not late. I am not ruined. I am in process. And process means being alive. Now stay here with me just for a few more breaths. Not to solve anything, not to plan anything, but just to recover. Let your nervous system remember, you are more than this season. And this season is not permanent. Inhale slowly one more time. And exhale gently. When you're ready, open your eyes knowing you didn't escape reality. You strengthened yourself to face it. And that is real power.